Hello, 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 everybody, and welcome back. We're looking at question 8 on the 2008 Fermat paper. Two three-digit integers, a, b, c, d, e, f, have the following property. If I add them up, I get 1,000. Okay? None of a, b, c, d, e, or f is 0, and we're being asked what is the sum here. Okay. So, really, we're just looking for two three-digit numbers that add to 1,000, and then we're going to add up their digits. Okay. So, you could, because none of the digits are repeated, so we don't have to be particularly safe about this. You could just say, well, I just need, 281, and then say 719, and that adds up to 1,000. Not that hard to find a pair. I just plucked that out of the top of my head. And so we're being asked what's 2 plus 7 plus 8 plus 1 plus 1 plus 9. And that's 9 plus 9 plus 10. That's going to be 28. So which of these answers is 28? D, boom, you're done. Okay. Now, why doesn't it matter? Well, the phrasing of the question just means that if there were a different sum you could get by picking, say, the wrong A, B, C, and D, E, F, then they wouldn't have a question that had only one unique answer. Okay? But these questions are gone through very thoroughly. There's always going to be a unique answer. And, if you can just get one of them, or if you can just find one example, you're off to the races. Another way to do this question is to say, okay, we want A, B, C. So this is the longer way, and this is how you prove that there's only one answer. So C plus F has to end in 0. Now, it could be 0, but if it were, then both C and F would be 0. And they specifically told me that C and F are not 0. So, and at most they're 9, so at most this is 18. So this really has to be 10, which means I carry a 1, and 1 plus B plus E has to end in a 0. So that's at least 1, and at most 19. It's got to be 10. So we would carry a 1. 1 plus A plus D has got to be 10 as well. Well, these last two mean that B plus E is 9 and A plus D is 9. And what are they asking me for? They're asking me for A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F. And that's A and D is 9. That's B and E is 9. And C and F is 10. So once again, 28D. The only way you can get a different sum of A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F is if one of these numbers is indeed 0. If C and F are both 0, you can get something different. But they rule out that case, so there's nothing left to do. Well, nothing left to do except move on to question number 9, and I'll see you for that in the next video.